136. 1 to 4.
Oh.
Very quickly, talk to a friend, talk to a neighbor. Poll your community.
Yeah, yeah. When you say beer, yes. And the measure of A is 9. Four? Yeah, that's great. This is a fold. So A, B, 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 E, B, E, D, yeah. Yeah. C, D, F, R, D, F, all, yes. Yeah. D, A, E, yes.
Okay, all eyes up front. Number 1.
Angle A is congruent to angle B.
Angle A is congruent to what?
D.
To angle what? D. Number 2.
Angle B is congruent to angle C.
BOC. Now, is there an angle B there
Yes.
in this diagram? B could actually be on what? This could this represent B?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't want to use angle B, but we can use what?
OBC.
OBC. Very good. Angle OBC is congruent to what?
Angle OCB.
Angle OC what? Number 3. Yeah.
Angle A is 45 degrees.
45 degrees, thank you, Rayon. 45 degrees. Number 4, let's go with A.
All of them are true.
All of them are true? Wow. Let's back up. Look at number 4, A. Given the triangles at the right, which of the following can you conclude to be true? Okay, we're looking at these 2 triangles. Okay, EF and RFT. We know we have 2 congruent what?
Sides.
Sides. Okay, let's look at number A. D congruent to R. Do we know that? What are some of the postulates?
They have the 8 centimeters and 8 centimeters.
How do you prove that 2 triangles are congruent? You've been doing it most of the week. Give me some. SAA, SAS, AAS, ASA,
That's that.
Angle what? Side. Okay, let's look here. All we have is two what? Sides. Do we really know that this angle?
Not yet.
Oh, yeah, we
Yes,
do.
we do.
How do we know that?
The two sides are congruent.
The SAS.
The S, A.
I could have a triangle here, and I could have a triangle like this. Everybody see the problem?
So
Yes.
yeah, one's bigger than the other.
The only way you prove two triangles are congruent, you need side, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle.
So this is side equals side.
Okay, all we have is two sides, and we really don't know if these two angles are what? Congruent. A is false. Let's look at B. DE congruent to DF.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes, so you have your side,
Very good. C,
C is true.
do we know DF is congruent to RT?
Yes. Yes. Given.
because your side.
Okay. Because you see the 8, right? This is 8, and that's what?
8.
8. Okay, true. Let's look at D.
D is true.
Is E congruent to F?
Yes.
How you know that?
It's the definition of an isosceles triangle.
It's a definition of isosceles triangle, but more specifically what? It's the isosceles triangle theorem. The two sides are congruent, the opposite angles of that. The opposite angles are what? Let's look at E. Very quickly, E, is angle E congruent with angle F?
Yeah.
Is angle E congruent with angle F?
False. Yes. Yes.
No. Does it give you like that?
It's just the same situation, isn't it?
Yeah.
To prove two triangles are congruent, you need side, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle,
Side.
side, side, thank you.
Side.
E is what? False. How about that?
That's D. F is true.
Yep, it's true. Okay. Now, very quickly, I want to do a quick proof here. I need someone to repeat the isosceles triangle theorem for me.
The two angles of a triangle are congruent.
Is that the converse, or is that?
That's the converse.
No, it's the theorem.
It's the converse theorem, that's true, but I want to hear the theorem first. That's the converse theorem. What's the theorem?
If two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the opposite angles are congruent.
Okay, I need you to write this down. Okay, I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna let you know that AB is congruent to AC. Okay? I want you to talk with a neighbor, talk with a friend. I want you to prove, we're gonna prove, and we're gonna look at this. I want you to prove that angle B is congruent to angle C. And we're gonna do a statement and reasons. And I'm gonna call. Talk with a friend, talk to your community of peers, talk to somebody. And how do we prove? Given AB line segments are congruent, how do we prove the opposite angles are congruent? Which is the isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, once you have collaborated with a peer, we're gonna call on some students to come up.
Oh,
Now, what'd you learn about our folding and auxiliary lines? Is it applicable here? Okay? Can you label something that Mr. Williams didn't put on the board
oh yeah.
about that drawing? Feel free to mark up the drawing when you come up. Okay, number one, let's start. Number one, we know. I want a student to come up. Anyone? Volunteer, come on. Okay, James, thank you.
James, you want to take the
Okay,
top one?
put a thumbs up in the air if you think that's true. I didn't see some thumbs. Thank you. Okay, I got, what's wrong about it? He has, segment AB is congruent with segment AC. Is that given? Did Mr. Williams give you that?
Yes.
Yes, I did. That's true. Let's